Hey there. If you are looking at buying or refinancing a home anytime soon, this tip can potentially save you tens of thousands of dollars over time. Keep this in mind even for future. So take a listen. The lender uses your middle credit score to base their pricing for you. So your interest rate is based off of your middle credit score, not your average. So have your lender pull your scores, your 3 credit scores, and then give you the middle score. And then the interest rate based on that middle score. And then ask them, and this is the magic question, what is the next pricing tier above that improves the interest rate? So for example, if your middle score is 718 and the next price break or interest rate break is at 720, you've got to only bring up your score 2 points to get a better interest rate. And that can potentially be an eighth of a point, a quarter of a point. I'm not sure what the pricing is with each different lender. It could vary. But the cool thing is that your interest rate will be lowered, which means your payment is lowered, and you're saving tens of thousands of dollars over years and years of having that loan. And it's simple to raise your point, or your score a couple points. Have your lender work with you. He's got software. He or she should have software that can be scenarios. So you can put in, what if I pay down this one credit card a couple $100 and it lowers the utilization ratio, which improves your credit? What if I do that? So look at some various options with your lender and let them work for you on this and get better pricing. And again, that could potentially save you thousands of dollars. So check your credit, look at what your score is, ask what the next pricing tier is, the next pricing break, and then get to work and get that price, that lower interest rate. Okay, hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.